In this video, we will learn how to hard reset or factory reset or power wash a Lenovo ThinkPad. So, if you forgot the password and cannot log in, then by resetting it, you can use again. You can log in again. So, what we need to do? We need to press this one ESC, this button, and power button. Here there is no power button, but the power button is here. If you see, the power button is this one here. So we need to press these three buttons simultaneously. So this one, that one, and power button. Press and hold. Yeah, I'm pressing here, power button, yeah, and release all of those. Now it says Chrome operating system is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. But we do not need to insert anything. We can solve another way. So what we can do? Press Ctrl Alt and D. Ctrl Alt and D. Now it says to turn operating system verification off, press enter. So press enter now. Next, it says operating system verification is off, press space to re-enable. So we need to press space. Now it says press enter. Yep. Now operating system verification is on, your system will reboot and local data will be cleared. So if you have an important file, please transfer it to other places. And this process works for any model of Lenovo Chromebook. It also works for other brand like Dell or HP or Acer or Samsung. So now it become like a new Chromebook. So we need to enter. You can enter your email address or phone number, or we can browse as a guest. So we can browse as a guest. So if we write anything here, yep, it's working. It's working now. And this one now becomes like a new Chromebook. Yep, this is my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.